Hello, friends. I wanted to talk about my favorite indicator. And let me just start off by saying there is no one magic indicator, but this one for me comes pretty darn close. So this is GSUN, 15-minute chart, and this is my 10 simple moving average. That's it. It's as simple as that. I picked up some on the open here and actually added to my position. I will often add to my position as long as it holds that level. Now I have a full boat, and as you can see, it's literally groping this 10 SMA, and every time it touches it, the buyers seem to jump back in and support the price. So ideally, I'm going to sell a little bit here at new highs. If it can get to new highs, I'll sell a third and continue to fade out if it continues to go. But again, there's only one indicator that I really lean on, and that's the 15-minute 10 SMA. And as you can see, as long as the price remains above this indicator and we do not get a closing candle, that's the key. The first closing candle below this rising 10 SMA is my signal to get out, and that signals that momentum is dying. And as you can see, we've got some nice movement here as we're recording. So good luck out there. The magic indicator, 10 SMA on a 15-minute chart. Good luck.